Hello, I'm Chrissy Seaton and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you would all know, I have been absent for some time. I haven't published any videos recently because I had some heart problems and I had surgery. I had a aortic valve replacement, and that has slowed me down considerably, whereby I have had to stop doing a lot of things that I want to do and enjoyed doing, and follow doctor's orders, so to speak. So I just really wanted to make this video, especially now, because I've had some wonderful news. I had to go back and see my cardiac surgeon for follow-up checkup, and everything appears, I had to have some tests again, etc. But everything appears to be doing very well with my heart. In fact, I left the hospital with 20% capacity of my cardiac ability and output. Now, since this last visit and checkup, the doctor was pleased to tell me that I now have 60% function of my heart. So that is a tremendous, tremendous help to me. I feel so much better. I've been so blessed. There have been so many of you who have prayed for me, have contacted me, sent me messages, etc. And I'm so pleased to be able to say that I'm doing very well at the moment. I'm feeling so much more improved. And it's all due to prayers and well wishes, and not to mention, of course, the heroes of the hospitals, the nurses, the doctors, the surgeons, who did a magnificent job in restoring me to magnificent health. I am pleased to be alive, and I owe that to many, many people. I've had wonderful emails and well wishes from people praying for me, and we can never underestimate the power of prayer. I believe that, coupled with the magnificent surgical team, has made my life renewed once more. And I will be forever grateful. And I'm going to gently start doing a few more things that I have been doing. And I won't say that my video output will increase dramatically, but I will try perhaps once a week to try and publish a video, and maybe only a short one. So I'm looking forward to that, but I really wanted to just give you the good news and thank everyone for their concerns, for their messages, and most of all for your wonderful prayers, and they have worked. I didn't expect at all to get any further than the 20% capacity for my heart. So you can imagine the joy. I'm still euphoric. I'm still trying to pinch myself and say, is this really true? So I thank you all. And most of all, of course, I thank our loving Father, Hashem. I believe he has work for me to still do, and I hope that I'm able to carry that on. So thank you again, and thanks to the medical team and the nurses, my friends and my family, and to all the other wonderful people out there who have wished me well and prayed for me. It is much appreciated. Thank you all, and God bless.